Hi everyone, welcome back to the Firm. Sound is formed by the alphabet F and also with the blend of PH and UGH. We will study this with the help of examples. So let's start. FACE face. FEET feet. FARM farm. FOOD food. PHONE phone. PHOTO photo. PHASE face. PHRASE phrase. ELEPHANT elephant. INFANT infant. COFFEE coffee. SOFA sofa. CALF calf. COUGH cuff. LEAF leaf. WOLF wolf. TOUGH tough. ROOF roof. GOLF golf. SHELF shelf. FAB RIC fabric. FANCY fancy. FARMER farmer. FACTORY factory. PHONOLOGY phonology. BEFORE before. DEFEND defend. LAUGH laugh. ENOUGH enough. HALF half. RELIEF relief. WIFE wife. FAN fan. FIVE five. FISH fish. FINGER finger. MUFFIN muffin. EFFORT effort. FANILY family. FUNNY funny.